Alam mo kung bakit ka laging kinakabahan tuwing nakikipag-date ka? It's because you put too much pressure sa sarili mo. Feeling mo dapat lahat ng sasabihin mo tama, kailangan perfect yung magiging first impression niya sa'yo, and kailangan magkaroon ng instant chemistry para masigurado mong magiging perfect yung lahat and hindi ka magkakamali. Kasi feeling mo, when things doesn't go as planned, nafe-feel mo na nag-fail ka or nag-fail yung date nyo. Pero ang totoo, you're expecting too much too soon. Kumbaga, first date nyo pa lang, sobrang dami mo na agad na expectation, but not only for you, but also dun sa babae and sa whole date nyo. Hindi pa kayo nagkikita, pero nag-overthink ka na. Ang dami na nagpe-play na senaryo sa utak mo, paano kung ganito, paano kung ganyan. Kaya pagdating ngayon sa date, wala ka na ngayon sa sarili mo. Nasa ulo ka na lang palagi. Kumbaga, kinakain ka na ng thoughts at yung mga senaryo sa utak mo, in which wala ka naman doon. Dapat nasa present moment ka lang, dapat nandito ka lang sa real world. Because let's be real, sa totoong buhay, tayong mga lalaki, sobrang dami na nating daladalang pressure. Yung pressure sa trabaho, yung pressure sa school, pressure na makapag-provide sa sarili mo and sa family mo, pressure na kailangan maging responsable ka sa lahat ng bagay. Tapos ngayon, pati dating, lalagyan mo pa ng pressure. Hindi na dapat, okay? Dating should be fun and enjoyable para sa'yo. It should feel natural and authentic tuwing mag-show up ka during your dates. And hindi mo magagawa yun if palagi kang stuck sa ideas and scenarios na piniplay ng utak mo. Kumbaga, you are living the life inside your head. If you always think na yung dates nyo or kapag nakikipag-date ka is parang exam na palagi mo kailangan ipasa, then most likely mag-fail at mag-fail ka. Because one of the biggest mistakes that guys make whenever na makikipag-date sila is meron silang expectation na kailangan may perfect connection agad sila nung babae. Now, hindi mo naman to kasalanan to, hindi naman natin kasalanan to. It's because na-program tayo ng mga Hollywood, mga telenovela, mga OPM songs na merong love at first sight. Yung tipong kapag nakita kayo agad, putya, parang may butterflies na meron ng puso agad sa mata. Nagsuslow mo yung mga paligid. Kumbaga, unang kita nyo pa lang, meron ng instant chemistry, meron ng instant connection. Kumbaga, parang sa sinihan nga, yung makikita nyo sa sinihan kapag nakikita yung bida tsaka yung partner niya. Pero again, that's Hollywood. Sa TV lang yun, sa sinihan lang yun, iba sa real life, okay? Kumbaga, fantasy lang yung nandun sa TV. Fantasy lang yung nasa sinihan, fantasy lang yung mga nasa movies. Pero in reality, stranger lang naman rin kayo talaga sa isa't isa. Kapag sa first meetup nyo, strangers lang kayo. Sorry to tell you, pero wala talagang love at first sight. Kung na-program ka na merong love at first sight, tanggalin mo na yan sa programming mo, i-delete mo na yan, itapon mo na sa recycle bin, as permanently delete mo na yan. Because when you're dating someone, ang isipin mo is you are checking if compatible ba kayo sa isa't isa. There are two persons, a man and a woman, trying to check if compatible ba sila magkaroon ng intimate relationship. At dahil nga strangers lang kayo, for sure, pati rin siya kabado. Kung kabado siya at kabado ka rin, then paano magkakaroon ng polarity? Polarity meaning opposites. Opposites attract. So, paano magkakaroon ng attraction? And the most attractive thing or then the most masculine thing na pwede mong gawin sa date mo na kapag kinakabahan siya is kaya mo siyang i-lead papunta sa positive emotion. Kasi di ba pag nervousness is anxiety, nervousness is a negative emotion. If you're a man who can lead a woman to a positive state, to someone na palitan natin yung nervousness niya ng excitement, then sobrang score yun. Because that shows leadership. Kaya mo siyang tanggalin sa negative state niya. So, paano bang hindi maging kabado? Kasi number one, ba't ka kakabahan kung ang framing mo during your dates is to assess kung compatible ba kayo sa isa't isa instead of trying to please her? Kapag kasi you are trying to please her, attach ka sa outcome na, ay, dapat maging perfect yung date. Every move mo, pag-iisipan mo mabuti, mag-overthink ka, in which kakabahan ka na. Pero if you approach the date in a frame na check mo kung compatible ba siya pumasok sa mundo mo, kung compatible ba kayo sa isa't isa, kung yung qualities niya is pasok sa standards mo, wala siyang red flags, then hindi ka nakakabahan. Kasi for example, ito, kapag in-interview ka, nung first job interview mo, sinong mas kakabahan? Sino sa tingin mo yung kinakabahan? Yung ini-interview o yung nag-i-interview? Yung HR. Sa tingin mo kinakabahan ba yung HR? Di ba hindi naman? Ang kinakabahan yung ini-interview. Because you are trying to get that job. Meron kang attachment doon sa outcome na kailangan makuha ko tong job na to. So kakabahan ka every answer mo. Pero if you position yourself as someone na ikaw yung HR, na ikaw yung interviewer, ikaw yung nanga-hire sa job, then hindi ka nakakabahan. So always position yourself, always have that mindset that you are checking for compatibility. That she is trying to get inside your world and i-check mo kung compatible ba siya dun sa mundo mo. Kung compatible ba siya umupo sa trono katabi mo. Kung compatible siya maging queen. So, how to remove pressure sa mga dates nyo? Again, eto talaga. Normal lang kabahan lalo na kapag first time mo makipag-date. Normal lang yan. Kasi sino bang hindi kinakabahan sa first time? Okay, nung basketball ka, kung nagpe-play ka ng mga sport, yung unang hawak mo ng bola, confident ka na makipag 1v1. Di ba, hindi naman kakabahan ka pa sa una. Pero once you take practice, once sa paulit-ulit mo na siyang gawin, nawawala yung nervyos. Okay? Ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng tips on how to remove yung pressure and nervousness sa first date, lalo na kapag first time mo makipag-date. So we can let attraction happen naturally. So number 1, I want you to relax. Okay? Again, you are not performing, you're not getting her validation, you're not trying to please a woman. You are checking if meron kayong vibe. So just relax. Number 2, clear your head. Huwag kang isip ng isip. Don't try to simulate every scenario. Don't try to overthink lahat ng sasabihin mo. Huwag kang magdadalawang isip. Stop trying to predict every outcome. Just be authentic. Just live in the moment. Be in the present. Number 3, own the frame. Again, yung framing natin. Kung paano yung framing natin sa date natin. It should be ikaw yung interviewer. Ikaw yung nag-i-interview. With that one, hindi ka kakabahan. So lastly, if ayaw mong ma-stress during your date, make sure you are doing something with your life to improve. Make sure that you get your shit together sa ibang aspect ng buhay mo, sa wealth, sa finance, nakapag-provide ka sa sarili mo, sa work mo, you are doing your best, you're trying to improve yourself physically, mentally, and spiritually so that real life stress won't affect your dates. That's why sobrang importante that you're improving yourself, yung self-improvement, yung personal development. So kapag nakikipag-date ka, if you're handling your finances well, your health well, your fitness well, sobrang ganda ng mindset mo, you're doing everything to improve yourself, then hindi na ito makaka-apekto sa dates mo. Kasi kung hindi ka nai-stress sa date, hindi mo na ini-stress yung date, mas magiging fun, natural, and exciting yung experience nyo together. In which yun naman talaga yung gusto natin. We want to have a very fun, exciting, and authentic na time together. And syempre, matik yan, she will feel good around you. And if she will feel good around you, mas mataas yung chance na magkaroon kayo ng second date, na magkita kayo ulit. So let's end this video with a quote. Ang sabi dito, a man who expects too much is desperate. A man who expects too little is detached. A man who expects nothing enjoys the moment. Dating is not a test you need to pass. It's all just an experience. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope meron kayong natutunan dito. Subscribe sa channel ko kasi I'll be releasing a lot of men's personal development content dito sa channel na to because this will be the best men's personal development content channel dito sa YouTube. Like and subscribe dito sa channel ko. If meron kayong topic na gusto mong i-discuss natin dito sa channel to, comment down below. And see you next time. Let's go. Pow, 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 pow.